In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a futures trading bot with AI in TradingView. By the end, you'll have a working TradingView strategy for futures that reads your AI-driven signal, applies a clear trading logic, manages risk, and can be backtested and monitored in real time. First, AI trading bots analyze data and execute trades instantly, outperforming manual trading. Open TradingView, load a futures chart you want to trade, and set your preferred time frame. At the bottom, open Pine Editor, click New, and choose Strategy so your script can place simulated orders in the strategy tester. Name it clearly so you can find it later. This strategy container is what lets the bot act automatically instead of you clicking Buy or Sell. Keep the chart visible while you work so you can see the script compile and plot signals as you go. Next, ChatGPT-powered bots use NLP and ML to factor in sentiment, news, and technical indicators. In your strategy script, add the technical indicators you want from TradingView data, such as moving averages, RSI, or volume. Then add a simple input for your AI signal so the bot can see sentiment or news scoring from your ChatGPT workflow. For example, create an input called AI Sentiment Score with a range like -1 to +1. You can paste or update this score on a schedule from your external AI process that analyzes headlines, social media, or macro news. If you prefer, add a second input for an AI risk flag that you set to true during high-impact events. On screen, you're just adding input fields and simple variables. The heavy lifting for NLP happens outside TradingView, and you pass its result in through these inputs. Now, a clear strategy is key. Trend following, arbitrage or sentiment-based trading boosts accuracy. In the editor, implement one approach so your rules are unambiguous. For a clean start, use a trend-following rule such as a fast-moving average crossing above a slow-moving average for long entries and the opposite for shorts. Then apply your AI filter to improve selectivity. For example, only allow long entries when the AI sentiment score is above your threshold, and only allow shorts when it's below the negative threshold. If your strategy is purely sentiment-based, tie entries directly to that score with a technical confirmation, like RSI crossing a level. Keep your rules simple, readable, and deterministic so backtests make sense. Once you finish the conditions, add strategy.entry for long and short, and plot your indicators so you can visually confirm signals on the chart. At this point, bots continuously learn and adapt, refining strategies and optimizing risk management. In TradingView, you'll emulate this by exposing key parameters as inputs and tuning them over time. Add inputs for stop loss, take profit, and position size. Implement stop loss and take profit using strategy.exit so every trade has clear risk and reward. If you're trading futures, also add a max contracts or a % of equity position sizing input to keep exposure controlled. Set pyramiding to 0 to avoid stacking positions unless your plan requires it. This structure lets you refine settings as market conditions change and as your AI model improves, without rewriting the whole script. When you adjust inputs, you're guiding the bot's adaptations safely and transparently. Finally, backtesting and monitoring ensure profitability, minimizing risk in changing market conditions. Click the Strategy Tester tab to run your backtest across ample history. Review net profit, win rate, profit factor, and especially max drawdown. If drawdown is high or results are inconsistent across timeframes, tweak inputs, thresholds, or filters, and test again. Scroll the list of trades to spot outliers and confirm stop losses worked as expected. When results are acceptable, click the alerts icon and create an alert on the strategy so you're notified on every entry or exit condition. Choose your delivery method, then save. Let this run on a live chart to monitor performance. If you want to practice without risk, connect paper trading from the trading panel so you can observe signals and outcomes in real time before going live. Your futures trading bot with AI inputs in TradingView is now set up, backtested, and ready to monitor. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.